Welcome everyone. We're just waiting for some people. We're going to give everybody a couple minutes before we start. Welcome everyone. We're going to have an amazing meditation.
We have here some amazing art in a scene set up to view. Take in the colors. Take in the energy. What do you feel right now? Let it be. Allow yourself to be you. Breathe.
So, this is our energy art, and inside of this is an essence. We are all different in a way, but there's a way that we can come together. Now, the theme of this artwork in front of you, I love you, I'm sorry, thank you, please forgive me, is around. We also created this flower and a scene like no other flower. Almost like a fireworks in a way. So we want you to absorb the energy. Absorb the energy. There's a Christmas tree with all different lights. Everyone in life is a beautiful person. This energy art is here for you to experience meditation with energy. So, breathe. We want you to come back to yourself. The day is settling and you are getting ready at one point to retire into bed. And this artwork is to teach you about loving. And to understand that there's always light. We have to go beyond good and bad. We have to go beyond good and bad. We are here to be here.
Look around, take it in. Set your intention right now to yourself. Whatever you want to be, work on, accomplish, give it to the painting, to the art, pure creative energy.
Now we will begin. Sit in a comfortable place and just pay attention to your breathing. Don't try to control your breathing. Pay attention to the breathing. Allow your breath to be. Tongue to the roof of the mouth, inhaling in very slowly, feeling your breath all the way down, and hold. Release very slowly. And now you can close your eyes. We're going to start off with I am. I am is something to not understand, but to be that in which you are. If for any reason you have been troubled, just breathe in. Any reason you have been angered, just breathe and let go. Pay attention to your body. Wherever there is something going on or something that is troubling you, just breathe. One breath in and one breath out. We are going to start off with I love you. To yourself, say I love you. Smile. Make sure you have your eyes closed. Smile. Relax. I love you. I love you. Breathe. Let it go. Let it go all the way back to the inner child. Whatever age you are, tell yourself, I love you. All the way down, even before you were born, I love you. Very good. Now, take a deep breath in and say, I am sorry. 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 Have you troubled yourself? Have you blamed? It's okay, but I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Just be. Just be. Just be. Allow yourself to remember a time where there was no trouble. Just be. Free yourself from the words of this and that and this one and that one and I don't like and I am angry and I am scared and I have fear. Breathe. Go beyond that. Go beyond that. Love. I am ready to love. I am ready to be the best person I can be. I am ready to share. Breathe that in. What do you want in life? Well, just be. Pay attention to the heart center and just say, ah. Just feel that. Again. 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 One more time. Allow it to just be. Don't do anything. There's nothing for you to do except breathe. Nothing else. Now, come back to yourself. Give it a little time. Come back to yourself. Wiggle your fingers and toes, but put your hands facing down to the ground of Mother Earth right now. And ground yourself. Yeah, breathe that in. It's beautiful. Breathe that in. Let everything just be. Special thanks that you are alive at this time. Be grateful. Be loving. Be honest. Tell the truth. It's hard sometimes. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. Those are the words to understand. Constantly. We will be doing tons of meditation with our artwork, our poetry, and everybody's free to join.
Take in the art that is your own soul, your own being. All the art you see here is available.
And the picture that you see today, the original is used for display because we do seminars and do things all over. But you're welcome to get a print of it, and we will put the link. Please join us. Invite your friends. Invite whoever you want. Love is always here. Many blessings.
I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you so much for being here.